morning everyone, this is Miss Amal. Today we are going to talk about yes or no questions with want. First, let's have a look at how to use do. You can say I do, you do, we do, they do. And with does, you can say he does and she does. It does. We can add Tom does too. Now let's try to make a question using do. Instead of saying I do, we can say do I. Do I. With you, do you. Do you. And so on. Okay? For example, do you want cereal? Do you want cereal? Let's try to make a question using does. Let's take does to the front and we say does he. For example, does he want fish? Does he want fish? Okay. And this is the new structure. You can write it down in your notebooks. For do plus subject like I, we, they, you plus want. For example, do you want cheese? Do you want cheese? Do they want vegetables? Do they want vegetables? And with does, you can ask with does plus subject like he, she, it, or Tom or Sarah. For example, does Ali want cereal? Does she want meat? Okay. Short answers with do and does. Yes plus subject plus do or does. No plus subject plus don't or doesn't. By the way, subject like I, we, they, you, he, she, it. For example, do you want eggs? You can say, yes, I do. Or we can say, no, I don't. I want fish. No, I won't. No, I don't. I want fish. Okay, with does Tom want pasta? We can answer with yes. Yes, Tom is a boy. We can replace it with he. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. In affirmative. Or we can say, no, he doesn't. He wants cheese. Okay? Don't is the abbreviation or equals to do not, and doesn't equals to does not. Don't. Say it again. Don't. Do not. Doesn't. Does not. Okay, now let's practice making more questions with do and does. Number 1, using these words, you, cereal, and answer with yes. Okay? With you, we ask with do. Do you want cereal? Do you want cereal? Don't forget the question mark here. Okay? We can answer yes, I do. Yes, I do. Number 2, ask with it using does. Does it want vegetables? Does it want vegetables? Answer with no. No, it doesn't. Full stop. It wants, don't forget the S. It wants fish. Number 3, you again. Do you want fish? Answer with yes. Yes, I do. Number 4, she, we can ask with does. Does she want pasta? Answer with yes. Yes, she does. Okay. Number 5, do they want butter? Do they want butter? Answer with no. No, they don't. They want ketchup. And number 6, do you want eggs? Do you want eggs? No, I don't. I want vegetables. No, I don't. I want vegetables. Number 7, with he we can ask with does. Does he want meat? Again, does he want meat? Answer with no. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. He want or wants. I can hear you. Yes, wants. Good job. He wants fish. He wants fish. Okay, number 8. Do they want ketchup? Do they want ketchup? No, they don't. They want eggs. They want eggs. Thank you for listening and see you next time, inshallah.
Miss Ola with you again, and we will continue Unit 2. Listen and repeat. Try to repeat after me, please. Baked, 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 chopped, 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 kissed, 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 cold, cleaned, blade. Again, cold, cleaned, blade. We have today two We have today two different pronunciation for final ed with regular verbs. First, we pronounce ed te. Te. So I should pronounce it baked, baked, chopped, chopped, kissed, kissed. Here I pronounced it T, T sound, T sound. The second pronunciation for ed, D, the sound. Like cold, cold, cleaned, the sound, cleaned, blade, played, the sound. So here, the sound, baked, chopped, kissed, te, 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 te. And here, cold, cleaned, played, the. And this is the difference between them. Okay, number B. Do they both have the same ed sound? Listen and circle true or false. Number 1. Washed, talked, washed, talked. True or false? Huh? True. Thank you. Climbed, walked, climbed, walked. True or false? Do they both have the same ed sound? Huh? Yeah, false. Number 3. Cooked, studied. Cooked, studied. Huh? True or false? False. Number 4. Listened, played. Listened, played. Huh? True or false? True. Thank you. Okay. Number C. Read the sentence and write the numbers, then listen. Number 1. She brushed the cat and washed her dress. She brushed the cat and washed her dress. Huh? Which picture? Try to choose with me. Yes. Thank you. Number 2. She baked a pie and played some cheese. Sorry, chess. She baked a pie and played some chess. Yes, number 2. And chess is a game. Chess is a game. And you need a partner to play it. You need a partner. Number 3. She chopped the logs and fed the dogs. She chopped the logs and fed the dogs. Yes, number 3. Number 4. And then she called his mother. And then she called his mother. Yeah, number 4. Hair. Brushed, washed, baked, played, chopped, called. Thank you. And let's move to the workbook. Let's start with page 7, workbook. Number 1, read and write. Number 1, drink will be in the past, drank, drank. Number 2, eat will be in the past, simple, huh? Yes, ate. A-T-E, thank you. Number 3, when will be in the past, won, won. Number 4, one. Number 4, go will be went. Number 5, see will be saw. Number 6, have, will be, had. And these are irregular verbs. Number 7, buy, will be, bought. Bought. And focus, GH is silent. Number 8, take, will be, took. Took. T-O-O-K. Thank you. B, look and write. Then number the pictures. Number 1, I spaced on a ride. I didn't space pictures. Huh? Try to answer. I went on a ride. I didn't, yeah, take. And focus. Infinitive. Didn't, infinitive verb. Yes. Number 2, I, try to answer. I bought, yeah, thank you, in the past. Put the verb in the past simple. I bought tickets. I didn't eat. Sorry, I didn't win a prize. I didn't win a prize. Number 3, I pictures. I took, excellent. I took pictures. I didn't eat, infinitive. Eat, eat. Didn't, infinitive. Yes, number 1. Number 2, which picture? Yeah. Yes, number 2. Number 3, which picture? Yeah, thank you. C, look and write. Number 1, she went on a ride. She went on a ride. Negative, she didn't see a show. Excellent. See a show. Didn't plus infinitive. Yes. Number 2, he ate. Yes, he ate cotton candy. Cotton candy. Yes. He didn't drink a juice. He didn't drink juice. He didn't drink juice. Number 3, they had lunch. They didn't negative, they didn't drink juice. Thank you. Turn over the page, please. Page 8. Here, focus again with voiced and voiceless ed. Number A, which word has a different ed sound? Read and circle. Voiced sounds. You have to pronounce it with D sound, but voiceless sound, you have to pronounce it T. Like, number 1, which word has a different ed sound? Read and circle. Number 1, walked, played, asked. What is the different word? What is the different word? Walked, played, asked. Yes. Number 2, baked, cold, cleaned. Which word is the difference? Yes. Number 3, climbed, talked, chopped. climbed, talked, chopped. Which one is the different? Yes, climbed. Number 4, used, washed, danced, danced. Which one is the difference? Yes, used. Number B, read and write. They write the words in the correct category. Number 1, brush, brushed. Number 2, water, watered. Number 3, kiss, kissed. And focus, test sound. Cause. Number 4, watch, watch it, watch it. Number 5, bull, bold, bold. Number 6, play, played, played. Number 7, laugh, laughed, laughed, laughed. Test sound. So ed here, pronounce it test sound. Laughed. Number 8, listen, listened, listen, the sound. Let's put them in the correct category, like walked, walked. Choose from words above. Number 1, kissed, kissed, excellent. Number 2, laughed, laughed. Number 3, watch it, watch it. Okay. The sound, like used. Try to answer with me. Bold, bravo. Pulled. Number 2, watered, watered. Number 3, played, played. And the last one, listened, listened. Okay, C. Read the word, then circle the words with the same ed sound. Number 1, played, played. On Monday, Amani watered the plants and brushed her hair. Then she called a friend. Try to answer. Yes. Watered, called. Excellent. Number 2, ask it, ask it. On Saturday, Karim and Mona listened to music. They baked cookies too. Then they washed the pots and pans. They washed the pots and pans. Try to answer. Yes, baked, washed. Thank you. Please turn over the page. Okay, that's the final of Unit 2. Thank you. Bye-bye.